Hi Victoria, I will explain you how to do the patterns worksheet. It's gonna be really easy for you. Okay, so you will have this worksheet, this one, okay. So the first thing you need to do is cut the triangles, the hearts, and the squares, okay. The part that is at the bottom, okay, of the page, this part, okay. So cut them very carefully, and when you finish cutting them, you will have something like this. You will have the shapes here, okay. So for example, here we have our example that we have a circle, triangle, a star, and it repeats the same sequence. Circle, triangle, a star. So you will choose a new pattern. For example, I will paste here a triangle, and then I want a square, and then, the heart, and then the square. So triangle, heart, and a square. So I have to repeat the same pattern, the same order. So which was the first? Triangle, okay? So I have to paste a triangle. Then you have to think which is the next one, okay? So here you have to complete the sequence. Okay, so I will say it quickly in Spanish. Tienen que hacer el patrón como ustedes quieran, en el orden que gusten. Por ejemplo, pueden empezar a poner el orden como triángulo, corazón, cuadrado, triángulo, y Victoria completará el orden que sigue. En la segunda línea vamos a hacer lo mismo, pero les recomendaría cambiar el orden. So in the second line, I recommend you to use another order. For example, I will choose heart to start with a heart, then with a square, okay, and then with a triangle. So you will have to complete the pattern, the order, okay? Pueden alternar el orden. Lo importante es que Victoria pueda completar los patrones. So that's all, Victoria. If you have any question, please let me know.